Hi guys. A lot of B schools are now focused on the academic record. I'm especially they are they want more marks in 10, 12. They give extra weightage for all those students. Today we look at all the IMs and you'll be surprised to see the college which is at rank 1 have got 70% plus weightage for 10, 12 k marks. More than 70% weightage is for the 10, 12th graduation marks. So I'm going to rank all the IMs as per their academic record valuation. So let's check out this data. All right, so we're launching a program at CET King. So in case you want to join our program, you can just call the numbers given here. This Monday, we're launching our new program. And in case you want to attend a free demo lecture, we have the demo lecture as well this week. So just call the numbers given here. My team will be more than happy to help you out. All right, so go to the link cetking.com/IIM, cetking.com/IIM. I've given the complete list of colleges, the complete eligibility criteria of all the IIMs, ranking of all the IIMs, everything is given there. So please check out that link ek bar. Now, if you go into the table below on the same link, now these are the IIMs where the weightage is slightly less. Okay, let me put up the marker so they can show you the values. Okay, so I'm Shillong. Now, I'm Shillong and I'm Ahmedabad are two colleges where the criteria is a different criteria. So they invite toppers of all the branches. So if you are a computer science, you are a engineering topper, commerce topper, the top 100, top 50, top 150 people are invited. So I'm Shillong ka chhod do. Apart from that, 0% weightage is given by IIM Rohtak. Up to these are all the colleges which give up to 10% weightage. So I am Bodh Gaya, Sambalpur, Sirmur, Raipur, Trichy, Jammu, उदयपुर रोहतक शिलोंग ठीक है इसको शिलोंग में काउंट कर सकते हो सो दे आर द लॉस्ट लीस्ट ऑफ देम इंक्लूडिंग आई एम अहमदाबाद का नाम ऊपर आ गया है अदरवाइज दीज आर द कॉलेजेस व्हिच हैव अ 10% वेटेज फॉर द academic record which is almost very less. If I move up the chain, now look at here, I am Nagpur, Kashipur, Lucknow, Amritsar, Ranchi. They have almost 35% to 20%, 15% weightage for the academic record. And moving to the top colleges, I am Ahmedabad again does not give any weightage for the academic record. I am Indore, 74% weightage for 10th, 12th graduation. 10th ke marks 34% weightage, 12th ke marks 40% weightage, and 0% weightage for the graduation. So they are giving to get the shortlist. See, this is not the final admission. This is only for the shortlist for the interviews. So your CAT score weightage is only 20%, जबकि 74% weightage is for academic record. Irony of life. ठीक है सेम वे आई एम बैंगलोर भी पीछे नहीं है आई एम बैंगलोर 40% वेटेज फॉर कैट स्कोर 50% वेटेज फॉर 10 12 ग्रेजुएशन मार्क्स आई एम कोईकोड 45% and 50%. So these top 4 colleges are the main colleges which give almost 40 to 50% weightage for academic record. I am Ahmedabad, I am Indore, I am Bangalore, I am Kozhikode, and I am Calcutta. How you feel about this, please do comment, because I am, frankly speaking, I'm against of this, not because I have low academic record. I was always 70, 70, 70 in my life, but because of fact के जो हो गया उसको जान दो यार, उसके लिए 20% weightage makes sense यार. Look at here, up to 20% weightage makes sense, but having 70%, 50%, 45 more weightage, CAT score का weightage in IIM Kozhikode is same as your academic record का weightage, which is not done यार. Why are bringing my past into this? Okay. How you feel about this? Do comment. This table cover up all the criteria, eligibility criteria for all the IIMs combined together. Okay. So you can download this table from cetking.com/IIM for the complete details. In case you want to attend the demo lecture, free demo lecture, you can call the numbers. Or in case you want to just go for the books, mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join. All the best. दिल पे लगा यार डेटा देख के ना मेरे को दिल पे लगा यार शिट 74% वेटेज